Welcome along, my name's Dr. Marcus Spry. I'm a dentist in the United Kingdom, and today we're going to be looking at a toddler's first brush. Hi, today we're looking at Brush Buddy's Baby Care Toddler toothbrush, and this follows on from the finger toothbrush that I was showing you in the previous video. So let's have a little look at this. It says here it's for 3 to 36 months, so 3 months to 3 years, and we just open it at the back if we can. And what we have inside is a very handy, extremely handy brush, because what you need to do, I think, is you need to have something that's very safe for a baby, so there isn't any way that this is going to get rammed to the back of their mouth. You know, this has got the bulk here to prevent that happening, and it's got a good secure handle. I'm going to use an adult model here, so we need to put a little bit of paste on here and then a little smear, and then we would get in and just agitate this round. Do the best that you can. What will almost certainly happen as you do that, the baby will tend to bite down on it, okay? Well, that's fine. You can just still agitate it around a little bit, and even though they're biting together there, it's much easier on a model than it will be with a real life baby, that's for sure. But you just do your best, because you'll be removing some plaque from their teeth, which is great. And if you've chosen to put some baby toothpaste on here, so your baby will get a little dose of fluoride. The benefit also is, of course, that they get cleaner teeth. And I think the real benefit at this age is that it's fun. Okay, and the baby will start to learn that it's a great idea to use a toothbrush, and this is a very safe and economic way of starting that process off. I like this product. I think it's good that you can get in and around there, and even when they bite together, it's all nice and safe, and nothing's going to get swallowed or accidentally sort of jabbed in anywhere. It's all nice and smooth around the edges, and you've got this. Now also what will happen as well, I bet you, is that they'll want to hold on to it themselves, and that's fine. You can supervise that, and they'll probably will turn it around and have a little chew on the other end like a teething ring. All good fun, and I think a great idea. So I'd recommend that particular product, and please like and share and subscribe if you'd like to watch any of our other videos. Thank you.